Hi, I'm Jessica Skye. I'm the founder of Fat Buddha Yoga, which is a modern approach to yoga for the next generation of urban yogis. I'm here with Eve to give you some of my top tips for the morning. Getting a good night's sleep is one thing, but how you start your morning can make a huge difference to your day. So instead of getting up and rushing to get out the door, instead of waking up and your phone being the first thing you see, when you wake up, try and take a few moments in bed, just sitting up, taking a really nice deep breath in. Heavy exhale out. And we can do some super simple stretches. Starting at the top of the body with the neck, simply drop your right shoulder to your right ear. Roll your head through the center, do the same on the other side. This is just to loosen, getting rid of any creaks. Coming up through the center, taking a long stretch overhead, interlace your fingers, flip your palms to the ceiling as you press up and lengthen. Exhale, gently lean to the right side. Inhale, come up through the center, exhale to the other side. Inhale up through the center, going a little bit deeper. Lower your right fingertips to the side of the bed and just reach over. So all we're doing here is trying to stretch the sides of the torso. Inhale, come up, do the same on the other side. And then next inhale, coming up through the center. Some simple twists here. Just step your right hand behind you, left hand to your right knee. Inhale as you lengthen, and exhale, twisting from the chest, looking to the wall behind you. And then switch it out, same on the other side. And it's literally that simple, just some really nice moves to take a moment, stretch, iron out any kinks in the body. If you have time, you can hit the mat. So once you're on the mat, coming into a table position, palms flat, fingers fan out wide. Stack your shoulders over your wrists, stack your knees under your hips, and tuck your toes to get into the arches of the feet, and warming up the wrists and the shoulders. Just make some circles or figures of 8. This is just to massage the joints, so getting some blood flow into the wrists and the shoulders. Take the circles in the opposite direction. And then coming through the center into your table, some cat-cows, just to help warm the spine and also stretch the front and the back of the body. Start with cow. As you inhale, dip through the lower back, open through the front of the body, lift your chin, broaden through the collarbone. And then long, heavy exhale, push the floor away like an angry cat, arch under, navel to spine, chin to chest, pressing the ground. Inhale, open the front, nice long breaths. And exhale, open the back. One more cycle as you inhale, fill the lungs. It's helping to energize, wake up in the oxygen. Exhale, arch under. The exhale should mellow you out, so calming the nervous system. Inhale as you come back to your cow, sit back to a child's pose. And then you're going to snake yourself forward onto your front, taking a sphinx here just to lengthen through the spine. Point the toes, press down through the tops of the feet, slide the hands forward, flatten the forearms, coming into your sphinx. And if it feels okay on the lower back, gentle cobra. Exhale as you lower down, stepping your hands under your shoulders, tuck your toes, come into a downward dog. So palms are flat, arms are straight and strong, shoulders away from ears, pedal through the legs, so just warming up here. Stretching the calf and hamstrings, still getting into the joints of the toes and the ankles, getting rid of any clicks or cracks. And then walk your hands to your feet, staying folded, bend at the knees, and interlace your fingers behind your back, chin to chest, letting the arms drop overhead. Inhaling for 1. And exhaling for 1, soften, relax. Maybe you want to bend one knee and the other knee, still just loosening up. Gently rocking the shoulders side to side. Releasing your hands to the floor. Walk your hands into a plank. Drop the knees. Sit back into a kneeling position. Just taking a few moments here. Set yourself an intention for the day. Doesn't have to be yoga related, doesn't have to be anything too hippy dippy. Just set yourself a nice positive intention for the rest of the day or the rest of the week. Taking a deep breath in and a heavy exhale out. Awesome.